Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video we will teach you how you can add an opening curtain to your PowerPoint presentation and slides really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation and select the slide you would like to apply the curtain effect or transition to. Like for example, let us go with the uppermost or with the first slide of the presentation. So select it with your left mouse, and after that head over from the home to the transitions tab here. And below we will see the list of all applicable transitions to the slide. Simply select the curtain transition. If you don't see it, guys, simply click on that arrow down icon and select it from here. So let me go with that effect or curtain transition here, and as you can see, the opening curtain effect will be instantaneously applied, and you can do that and apply that to each of your slides, or simply apply them to all of them by clicking on apply to all here to the right. However, guys, as you can see, for example, if I watch it in the preview, you will see that the opening curtain is standard black. So if you'd like to apply a custom color to it, like these, for example, red curtains they have in cinemas and theaters, what you will need to do, guys, is do the following. Switch back from the transitions tab to the home tab in the top left and add a new slide to your presentation by clicking on that button here. After that, make sure that your newly added slide is at the very top of your presentation, or that it precedes the slide you would like to apply the curtain effect for. So what you want to do after that, guys, is simply switch from the home to the insert tab and add a red curtain image to your first slide. To do that, select pictures here under images, and after that look or search through the images library here on Microsoft, for example, and type in red curtain or something like that. Press enter and choose the one you would like to apply. So let me go with that one here. Click on insert here in the bottom right corner to apply it. And after that, simply adjust the size and the position of your red curtain image, just like that. And that should do it. If you switch back to your next slide and again head over to the transitions tab and watch your curtain transition in the preview, you will see that now the color of that curtain is red and not black. And you can apply that to any curtain color you like, and that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.